Hi everyone, I am Professor Victoria Sanchez, and today we are going to explore how to use online databases to find scholarly articles to support your opinions and ideas. So first, you will go to sdmesa.edu/library. Once you get there, you are looking for the section called OneSearch. So scroll down to Research Tools and find the OneSearch search engine. Once you're there, go ahead and click there. Type in the main idea of your opinion. Most importantly, remember, the narrower the better. And most importantly too, we're also looking for scholarly articles rather than textbooks or student surveys. So what we're looking for here is our first search assignment is stating if you agree or disagree with the opinion. Remember that my opinion is the internet is also slowly remapping the human brain to think and analyze differently by making information too accessible. So you're going to search if you agree or disagree your main idea. For example, in the search engine, maybe you type something like brain and Google, right? A search engine. In the search engine, type your opinion, again, brain and Google, and hit search. You see there are both books and articles here. Again, we're looking for scholarly articles. Go over to the side, modify your search result by clicking articles. Once you're there, go through the articles that might provide evidence to back up your opinion. Read the abstract first to get insight if the article will be helpful for you or not. If the article is helpful, take the time to read it in full and find sections that you can cite as evidence for your opinion and thesis. If you are unable to find an article on the school's OneSearch page, you also have the option of using Google Scholar, which will only provide trustworthy academic articles. So just like you did for SD Mesa, the library website, you'll go here and go to scholar.google.com and repeat the same steps. So here we'll also type in brain and Google. Notice you'll get much more articles here because it's pulling from other colleges' school website and databases. So same thing, you'll go through, read the articles, find one that fits your opinion, read the article in full, and find sections that you are able to cite for your research and your studies for the they say, I say aspect and moves of your academic writing. If you have any other questions, feel free to send me an email, respond to this video, or comment in the discussion board and see what your classmates also think.